So Google's next big thing, the Pixel 8 and 8 Pro. We're slowly getting to know more about these two devices. Now we have a new thing. Google may be developing a feature like Samsung DeX for the Pixel 8 and 8 Pro. Now some Samsung devices has a feature called DeX for a while now. It's not a new feature. Now this mode actually allows your device to cast a PC-like experience to the big screen with the same apps that you have on your phone and you use it every single day. So it has an instant access to all the things that you have in your phone, but in a more desktop-friendly environment, so that you can take advantage of a big screen or a big canvas like a 4K monitor, let's say. Now the Pixel 8 will actually support the USB DisplayPort alternative mode, often known as DisplayPort over USB-C. Now this is something that actually a Google insider told a leaker. Now the DisplayPort over USB-C actually enables smaller devices like smartphones or even a tablet to transfer the content to a monitor or a TV in place of a traditional RCA connection or even a HDMI cords. So if you don't know, even Huawei, Xiaomi and Oppo phones have this kind of desktop mode experiences. Content writer Mishal Rahman actually previously disclosed that Android 14 beta supports the USB DisplayPort alternative mode. So it basically means it's supported by the core Android operating system. Now it is also unknown that if other Pixel devices currently running Android 14 will be able to have a DeX-like mode. But the Pixel tablet and the Pixel Fold are two more Pixel devices that could receive this desktop mode feature. But that's not only it. We also have the color options of the whole Pixel 8 lineup. The Pixel 8, according to Google sources, will come in these 4 color options. And the first one is actually a combination of a blue-green color options, and the haze is a color of like a shade of a green, and there is gonna be a shade of pink, and then there is gonna be a typical black, like dark shade of black. Now Pixel 8 Pro will actually have different color options. It will still have 4 color options, but there is gonna be a sky. It's probably a pale tint of blue, I guess. But other than that, it's going to have all these color options, and we've already seen the porcelain color options in leaked marketing material. Now if you don't know, these Google phones will also be powered by the Tensor G3 chip. This SoC will have a configuration like 1+4+4 and will go by the code name Zuma. Now there are going to be 4 Cortex-A715 cores as performance cores running at 2.45 GHz, 4 Cortex-A510 cores, efficiency cores running at 2.15 GHz, and there are going to be a 1 prime Cortex-X3 core running at 3 GHz. So this is basically a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 competition. Now Mali G715 GPU from ARM is actually going to power the Tensor G3 chip. It will have 10 cores compared to Mali G710-7 in the Tensor G2 chip. It will also support ray tracing in certain games. Now the Pixel 8 lineup will also see the UFS 4.0 storage instead of UFS 3.1 on the Pixel 7 series. And the sequential read and write speeds of the UFS 4.0 are up to 4200 Mbps and 2800 Mbps respectively. That is way too much more compared to the UFS 3.1 we have seen on the Pixel 7. So that's actually great. Now if you want to know more about the Pixel 8 series, I will link down below some of my videos that tells you a lot more about the Pixel 8 series and its displays even. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you think about the Pixel 8 series? And yes, if you want, you can get some crazy cool wallpapers up on my website. A link down below. Until the next one, bye and take care.